This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with what matters: an 18% gray card placed where your subject stands and RAW enabled so you can correct later. Set your camera to custom or manual white balance. If you prefer precision, enter a Kelvin number. Once done, point the card to the lens and fill the frame. Make sure exposure is consistent. Lock focus and exposure and take a sample frame. This single reference will drive the correct white balance for every subsequent shot in this lighting. Now you measure and set. Photograph the gray card at a proper exposure so it reads neutral, not bright or crushed. Review that frame on your LCD, zoom to check neutrality, and then use the camera's custom WB feature to select that image as the reference. Alternatively, read the scene's Kelvin from a color meter and type it in. Once set, switch back to your shooting mode. Make sure the camera retains that custom value between shots. Finish by confirming. Shoot a few test frames of your subject and inspect them in camera or in your RAW editor against the gray card reference. If you still see a color cast, re-photograph the card under identical lighting, then adjust the Kelvin by steps of about 200 degrees until neutral. If lights are mixed, isolate sources or favor the dominant light. And when you need extra insurance, bracket white balance with one warmer and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.